Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful videos of crochet, different things, ideas and different perspective videos. And this video is all about the skirts designs, crochet skirts ideas. Are fantastic videos, are good looking designs and amazing videos, so elegant, so gorgeous, just looking like a fantastic videos, fantastic designs, are basic videos ideas. It's amazing videos and more creative designs I have shared with you. I want to share a very beautiful, very stunning, very newest design, so keep attractive, keep sharing, and newly designs, newly videos, more stunning, more fabulous videos. Are you there? Are stunning designs, keep attractive, keep sharing in the same way, and different perspective videos and different things are available in my channel in these creative videos, and different things, different perspective designs. Are you there? Are more elegant videos and good looking fantastic designs. I have shared with you. I want to share a very beautiful designs. Keep attractive, keep sharing designs. I have shared with you. I want to share a very beautiful videos of skirts are using different patterns, different designs. It's perfective videos and just looking like a gorgeous. I have shared with you and good looking videos, so I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification, all subscribers, all new members, and different patterns are available in my channel, so take. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful videos of